believe it or not. The Earth has a twin out there in space. Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system, and the closest planet in orbit to Earth's. It acquired its name after the Roman goddess of beauty and love, due to being the brightest planet among the 5 planets that were known to ancient astronomers. Surprisingly, Venus is very similar in size and structure to the Earth. That's why it's called Earth's twin, except for some differences. Unlike almost all of the planets, Venus rotates backward on its axis, causing the sun to set in the east and rise in the west, which is the complete opposite of what we see happen on the surface of Earth. Amazingly, 1 day on Venus is equivalent to 243 days on Earth, because Venus rotates slowly around its axis. However, it rotates very fast around the Sun, which makes 1 year on Venus take only about 225 days on Earth, making a day on Venus longer than a year on it, which is considered one of the most interesting facts about Venus. In fact, Venus has a surface structure that's full of mountains and volcanoes, which makes scientists wonder about it. Because it has resurfaced itself completely. The surface on Venus is expected to be possibly as young as 150 million years old, which is actually considered very young from the geological perspective. This means that at some point, Venus has resurfaced itself. Studies suggested that the resurfacing of Venus occurred through planet-wide volcanic events, which were huge enough to bury all earlier surfaces. Thinking of moving to Venus? You need to hear this first. Venus orbits at a distance of about almost 108 million kilometers from the Sun, which is considered the second closest planet to the Sun. Although Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, Venus is considered the hottest planet in our solar system. The secret behind this fact is that it has an atmosphere made of carbon dioxide. It also has clouds of sulfuric acid inside its atmosphere. These clouds are very thick and make the Venus atmosphere to be denser, which is the main reason for making the planet hot like hell. The dense atmosphere traps the heat inside of Venus, which creates a greenhouse effect that causes the planet to be almost 390 degrees Celsius hotter than it should be. Literally, the temperature on the planet is enough to melt lead. The first spacecraft that was sent to explore a planet has been sent to Venus, and the planet was intensely studied early in the history of space exploration. However, the intense heat caused the landing spacecraft to survive roughly for a couple of hours. So, to make it short, it's impossible for life to exist on Venus. Because of its atmospheric extreme hot conditions, it is literally melting there. Although it is called the Earth's twin, we are so lucky that Earth and Venus are not identical twins. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you again.